We're at the Amra
Palace
International
Hotel.
Continental Universal Hotel in Jordan. The boy and I, Hannah's already down there, are gonna go for our first dip. We got the pool, might as well dip. Don't worry, I'll close it. Because they spent all day getting this pool ready for us, and it's like minus 100. It's awful blurry, eh? There we go. Nope. There we are. Okay, pretty good little tip. Really appreciate the hard work that they put into getting the pool ready for us. Great people here. Strongly recommend this hotel. They've been nothing but kind to us.
I mean, like, what hotel calls you to remind you to come to breakfast?
Every morning they call us and they let us know that breakfast is ready. There's a buffet breakfast that we got as part of our booking. The Amra International Palace, great place. Highly recommended. Oh, check that out. The fountain's going.
Tell me about it.
We made it to the border. This gentleman right here, Omar, is a great man. You need to get a cab from this man. I'm gonna put his information up on the screen, and you gotta contact him when you come to Jordan. He can help you get around. He's the man. Even the customs and the border, everything is very pleasant. Jordan. Great spot. Really glad we came. Thank you for the hospitality. We made it successfully through most borders. We are now at the Egyptian border right here. Cab was very easy to get on the Israeli side once we crossed at the Wadi Araba border. And now we're gonna cross through here, and hopefully it's not cab insanity. And yeah, we'll be able to get to Sharm el Sheikh in a few hours. Let's see how this goes. Made it through to Egypt. The saga continues. We're in Africa.
I've never been to Africa.
Now you have. We made it into Egypt. Everything was a hassle there. They searched my bag. They made us sit there for 30 minutes while they thought about whether it's okay I have a camera or not. Then to the passport stamping place. That was another 20 minutes while they talked about our passports, even though we got our visas issued in Canada before we even came to Egypt. Taba border crossing, not easy. But we're here now. Looking forward to getting to Sharm. That's an army tank right there. It's not every day you walk past army tanks, and there's some more out there. We just got harassed by the cab guys, and the Lonely Planet book that we were using said it would be 45 Egyptian pounds per person. They were trying to charge us $50 per person. Don't fall for it, walk into town, get a better deal, or you can get a bus significantly cheaper than that. Don't fall for it, it's a scam. We've now walked to the bus station. It was like a 3-minute walk. This guy in the white car has stalked us the entire way, and I'm sure he's gonna go talk to them now to try and get them to tell us there's no bus available, but he stalked us the entire way trying to get us to pay his $50 for the ride when this bus is gonna be significantly cheaper than that. So we'll see what unfolds here, but he's now at the bus station getting out of his car. We'll see what happens. We're at the Taba bus station. The taxi guys don't want to bend on their price because it's the same 3 guys seem to be operating all the taxis, and they want us to pay stupid amounts of money. The cheapest price we've gotten so far for the 3 of us is $50 US. Lonely Planet plus other online reviews and comments I've read, 45 Egyptian pounds should get us to Sharm el Sheikh. That's per person. It doesn't. So now we're waiting for the bus. The bus is either 15 Egyptian pounds or 50 Egyptian pounds, depending on who we talk to. And it comes at 3 p.m. It's currently 11. So we gotta kill some time. We've made our final offer to all 3 of the taxi guys in town. We're not willing to go any higher than $20 US. It's $9 US assuming the highest price we've received for the bus. $3 US for the lower price. I think that their margin of profit is good. Here's what they're forgetting. This is not the US. Their economy is not the same as the US, so their dollar is not worth the same as a US dollar. So for them to ask that kind of money for us, when everything in this town costs significantly less than that, there's no justification for that dollar value. Can't do it. Can't do it. This is Egypt. The Egyptian pound is worth what it's worth. So we're here until we get a better deal or the bus comes. We'll see which option ends up working. On these trips, I always find a lot of strange jobs I don't really understand. At Petra, there was the person who, after purchasing your ticket, scanning it through an electronic machine, the electronic machine opens the gateway so you can go through into Petra, but before that, you have to have the person with the hole puncher who punches a hole in the ticket to say, everything's good here. I thought that's what the machine was doing. So here in Taba, the position I don't really get is this one right here. Now I don't know what that job is. I haven't seen any sort of interaction with anybody. No. They're not stamping anything, they're not checking anything. They're just sitting in the cool little booth. Taba bus station bathroom. Disgusting. Be thankful you can't smell. Ugh. Okay, here's the deal we were able to get. We are going to go for $20 US. They will take us to Dahab, and from Dahab we will have to get a bus to Sharm el Sheikh. It's not ideal, but it's better. There's nothing to do. So we're on our way.
because I take a stamp for the police tourists. You have a pen?